Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make an origami helicopter. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. So to make an origami helicopter, we should have one square shaped sheet. First you have to fold it in half to create a triangle. Unfold it. Now match the front tip of the bottom triangle with the horizontal line which we created before. Crease it. And then fold the same triangle one more time and match it with the same horizontal line. Crease it and flatten. Now rotate it and repeat the same thing exactly which we did it on the other side. First match the front tip of the bottom triangle with the horizontal line. And then fold it again and match with the same horizontal line. Now let's fold the entire thing in half and match these two tips together. Crease it perfectly. And then unfold it. And now you have to take the bottom tip of the below tie and match with the center point. Unfold it again and rotate it. Exactly same, bottom tip you have to match with the center point. Crease it in, unfold it. Now you notice this crease and you have to fold this crease with the center horizontal line which we created before. Rotate. Use the same thing exactly. Fold this crease with the center point. And now you have to take this flap of little square and fold it in half and match with this horizontal line. And this side you have to squash up and make the little triangle. Do the same thing in the below. Squash down and make the little triangle. And again this little square flap you have to fold it in half and match with this square horizontal line. And then this side you have to squash up and make the little triangle. Crease it in perfectly. Now left hand side, you have to fold this corner diagonally and match with the nose of triangle which we created before, and same exactly in the right hand side, you have to fold diagonally and match with the nose of the triangle which we created before. Now you have got your helicopter, and this is the back side. That was the back side, and now this is the front side, and that is how you can make an origami helicopter. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Bye.